Shawty for the shingle, Tamara, send your eyes out.
Hello guys. Okay, full face I'm just gonna do. So the primer I use is Barry M primer. You have seen it on my video. So yeah, I'm gonna do a full face basically. Okay, just press it down. This is the Juvia's Place foundation, Nairobi. That is the shade I am using. I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. I made this video ages ago, but luckily it didn't, get deleted from my camera. Okay, the brush I'm using is from our brush collection. This is foundation brush, and you can also use it for blush. You can use it for everything anyway, for powder, anything. But I choose to be using it for my foundation, and I don't need a sponge when I use this brush to blend my foundation. You see that? There we go. Just look at my face for 1 second. Look at that foundation. Damn. Good. Okay. You are familiar with this. I love this concealer. It's Maybelline. My shade is tan. Easy to blend. Gorgeous. There we go, guys. Just blend it under my eyes. Yes. So I hope you're doing well, guys. The Juvia's Place again. I think that shade is shade 4 or 5, in between 4 or 5. Either 4 or 5. This is the way I am doing my nose on this very video. I am carefully contouring my nose because I just don't want a big, massive line. There we go. So I'm gonna blend it now. I don't even know why I'm contouring my nose to begin with, but hey. But this method, it worked for me though. You see, I don't have a big massive line between. So I'm just blending now. Blending my contour. So yes, again, I have a wig, front lace, whatever you guys call it. Oh, Julia, keep blending. Stop laughing. So, yeah. The setting powder I'm using is from W7. 7W or W7. Shade is Honey. Under my eye. This setting powder kind of shocked me, I must say. It's really good. Doing reverse contour. Face powder. This is Sasha. Matte. It was very sunny that day. The weather was brilliant. This sun was shiny. This is from Revolution. Mega Bronze. 02 Warm. Like I said before, I made this video 100 years ago. So I will just do a little bit on my forehead. This is Massa More from Home Bargain. I'm gonna use this very one. It's my blush. Gorgeous. It's not too harsh. There we go. I leave a bit of powder around my nose area. This is MUA Academy highlighter. MUA Makeup Academy. The first time I used this highlighter, I didn't like it. Then I put it away. On that day was just, you know what, let me try again. And I liked it. Now I'm gonna be using it as well. How your taste can change from one moment to the other, I don't know. This is from Primark setting spray, matte. Okay, we're gonna move on to eye now. I'm using P. Louise base. I will just dab it down. Dab, Julia, come on. Like I said before, the weather was brilliant. I was singing. You're gonna see me dancing. Just watch. Just keep watching. I was singing my head off. Beauty Glazed eyeshadow. I'm going to use a Revolution. So I just take that yellow shade. It's all about yellow, golden. That's what I'm doing, on this video. I just dab it down. not blend it, because yellow is one messed up shade. People said it's very hard to create and it's very hard to blend. Now move on to Revolution Reloaded. This yellow here is slightly darker than the one from Beauty Glazed eyeshadow. I will just dab. Guys, I'm not even blending. I want all the pigment to show, you know. I just keep dabbing and dabbing. Doing the other eye now. My lips are moving because I'm dancing. I'm singing. There you go. I wish every day can be like that, you know, where you can just play music and just dance, be yourself, be happy, instead of just to focus on creating eye look. She's still dancing. Then another different yellow shade. This one is lighter. Julia is still dancing her head off there. There we go. I just use that yellow shade to blend my brow area, stretch it forward. Well, I'm still blending, guys. This time just focus on blending the two shades. Now I'm gonna move on to Beauty Glazed again. Take that shimmer yellow shade. Just use my finger to dab it. Just dabbing and dabbing. Do the other eye. Use that same darker yellow, slightly deeper, I would say. Use it to blend my outer V area between shimmer shade and matte shade. No, we always do that, right? 25 hours later. 25 hours later, I just said. That is from Amazon. Liquid glitter liner. Just one online to give you, you know, just something different, something more like shiny. The eyeliner I'm using is from Primark. You have seen this on my videos, so I love this. Again, using that darker, I was deeper yellow shade to do my under eye, and first I just kind of press it down before I blend, like dab dab dab. While I was there, I just apply. Wait, yeah, I'm gonna blend again now. Yeah, like I was saying, while I was there, I applied a bit of setting powder under my eye because I was experiencing fallout. That's why my under eye is so powdery right now. The eyeliner I'm using is from Barry. I love this eyeliner so much. I think at that time just, you know, nearly got it. It's not even expensive at all. With the eyeliner, it's just gonna change the look, guys. You see that? You see the way the eyeliner is showing on the yellow eye makeup. Like, wow. That mascara is from Home Bargain. So I will just dust everything out. The lashes I'm using is from our new collection, Style M93. Here is now the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Leave your comment below, like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, guys.